What's the best home coffee machine in 2025? Because let's be honest, if your morning coffee isn't right, your whole day's already in danger. Today we're putting 3 top machines to the test to find out which one's worth your caffeine loyalty. We'll look at taste, ease of use, price, cleaning, and of course, how much drama it adds or removes from your morning routine. Number 3, Keurig K-Supreme Plus SMART, the convenience king. Price around $190. If coffee had a fast food sibling, it'd be Keurig. Pop in a pod, press a button, and boom, coffee's ready before your eyelids are. The K-Supreme Plus SMART takes it up a notch with Brew ID tech. It literally recognizes your K-cup and adjusts the brew temperature and strength automatically. Fancy, right? Pros: lightning fast, tons of flavor options, and zero mess. Cons: pods can get pricey, and if you're a coffee purist, you might crave more depth. Verdict: perfect for anyone who values speed, convenience, and not thinking before caffeine. Number 2, Breville Barista Express Impress, the aspiring barista's dream. Price around $749. This machine screams, "I take my coffee seriously." It's semi-automatic, meaning you grind, tamp, and steam milk yourself. But with Breville's new assisted dosing system, it helps you nail that espresso shot every time. The flavor? Rich, bold, cafe-level perfection once you get the hang of it. Pros: built-in grinder, beautiful crema, latte art potential. Cons: takes counter space, not for the just give me coffee now crowd. Verdict: if you secretly dream of running a coffee shop or just want cafe quality at home, this one's your match. Number 1, De'Longhi Magnifica Evo, the all-around winner. Price around $899. The Magnifica Evo is like that friend who can do everything: espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced coffee, and still look stylish doing it. It's fully automatic, so you press one button and it grinds, brews, and froths milk for you. The taste? Smooth, balanced, and customizable to your mood. Pros: all-in-one system, easy cleaning, consistent results. Cons: a little investment up front, but it pays off daily. Verdict: for anyone who wants cafe-quality coffee without barista-level effort, this is the one. Final brew down. Keurig, best for speed and variety. Breville Barista Express, best for espresso lovers. De'Longhi Magnifica Evo, best overall balance of taste, automation, and style. Because at the end of the day, your coffee machine should make mornings easier, not feel like a chemistry project. So tell me in the comments, what's your coffee vibe? Quick pod perfection, barista artistry, or full-on coffee luxury? And if this helped you pick your next machine, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out my next video because we're taste testing the best coffee beans for each of these machines next.